Here I've got iPhone X clone, and let me show you how to enable night mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then find and select the general. It's over here. Now scroll down to the actually not the very bottom, but somewhere in the middle under spotlight search, you will notice accessibility, so just open it. And now go to the bottom of the list and you will notice under display color inversion. So simply by tapping on this switcher, you will activate night mode. So the display will be dark, will be black, and then the letters will be light white, and your eye will definitely feel more comfy once this mode is on. Just let me show you. This is this mode. And not only your eyes will thank you, but also the battery, because it's definitely worth using once your battery is pretty low, because it extends your battery's life. So let me go back to accessibility, which is here. You can obviously simply switch it back to your standard mode by tapping on the same icon. And that's it. Now you can use your night mode whenever you want to. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.